The K2 Full Control Home is developed by the world's #1 pressure washer company, Kärcher. Simple to put together, the K2 pressure washer is ready to use in minutes. The new Full Control Vario Lance, with 4 preset cleaning settings, makes this pressure washer perfect for cleaning any surface. Whether it's soft surfaces like fencing and wood, delicate surfaces such as cars or bikes, or hard surfaces like paving and bricks, you're always in control. There is also a setting for gently applying detergent, making cleaning any surface even easier. The powerful Dirt Blaster Lance allows you to remove even the most stubborn of dirt from stone or brickwork. This K2 Full Control machine also includes a home package, which includes a patio and deck detergent and T150 patio cleaner. The patio cleaner allows you to clean any patio or decking 5 times faster than with a normal lance. Accessories can be stored neatly on the machine, and it's simple to pack away. The K2 Full Control comes with a 2-year warranty.